It's a new year, guys. Let's make it a good one. Do we have anybody doing their very first park run today? Yes, look at that. Great way to start the new year. Welcome. We have another first timer there. Put up your hand, don't be shy. Awesome. You're going to love park run. Welcome, welcome. Do we have anybody celebrating a milestone today? Yes, what you got? 50! Oh, well done. Please come for your photo after the park run. And then just a few things to go through. Again, please remember we give you free parking if you have the Admit app. This park run, we ask you again, please keep right at all times. Allow the fast runners to park.